Oh god. I honestly don't feel like doing this absolute value integral. But sometimes we don't have a choice when we compete at advanced level integration bees, right? So what do? I need to find the balance for this. So I need to know 2 sine of x plus 1 is equal to 0. I need to find where does it, go pass through the x-axis. So we solve for sine of x. In this case, we get negative 1/2. So this x is equal to, let's see, negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 is like here or here. So, but because we're going from 0 to 2 pi, we're going to have, let's see, pi, 7 pi over 6, and then 11 pi over 6. Okay. Well, that's just great. So now we have to split at 7 pi over 6 is 11 pi over 6. Oof. Which is a little annoying sometimes. Okay, so if I just plug in pi over 2, right? Because this is where pi over 2 is. It's between these interval, and we see that it's going to be positive. So this is just going to be positive dx. And then we know that it's going to interchange to negative when we hit 7 pi 6, 11 pi 6 dx, and then go back to, and then it goes back to positive from 11 pi 6 to 2 pi. Okay, first of all, the indefinite integral, this is x minus 2 cosine of x. And then now we just have to kind of do this, the whole bound stuff. Okay, this is the most annoying part, but we just have to do it. Okay, 7 pi over 6, and then minus 7 pi over 6 here. We could just keep our unit circle for reference, right? We have 7 pi over 6 here, and 11 pi over 6 here. Okay, just for reference. And so now if I plug in 7 pi over 6 to cosine, this is going to be root 3 over 2, which is going to be root 3. Okay. Minus, wait a minute. Wait, this is... Are these going to cancel? Oh, no, they're not going to cancel out. I'm sorry, they're not going to cancel out. They'll double. They'll double each other. Yeah, they're going to double. So I get 2. And then 11 pi over 6 minus 11 pi over 6. If we plug in 11 pi over 6, we get 2 root. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Root 3. This should be positive. Ooh, be very careful. Be extremely careful. This is negative 3, negative square root of 3 over 2. So this is positive. This side is negative. So this would be negative square root of 3. All right. And then times 2 because of these two. And then plus, and then plug in 2 pi. Right. Plug in 2 pi, and then you get minus 2. Okay. There. Now that's how I missed 0. I just realized that. I am missing 0. Minus 0 minus, this should be 1, but because we have a negative, this is at the lower bound, it's plus 2. Okay. Making sure I'm not missing anything. So these two cancel out then? Oh my god, this is horrid. Horrid. Alright. 7 pi over 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 11 pi over 3 minus 2 root 3. Oh, I'm sorry, plus. And then plus 2 pi. I am hoping I am doing this correctly. This is negative 4 pi over 3 plus 4 root 3 plus 2 pi. I would leave my answer as this, but my question is, am I correct? Let's check. 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3. Six pi. Oh, it is equal to 2 pi over 3. Hey, I got it right. Let's go. Okay, well there you go. That's how you would do this. Be extremely careful. There are so many deadly portions here, right? First off, this bound. Okay. Know that there are two different solutions. Okay. You can't do negative pi over 6 and then ignore it. No, it's 11 pi over 6 because we're going from 0 to 2 pi. So be careful about bounding it and where you're splitting it. Okay. And then here, this portion you need to be careful. This is not just 0. Cosine of 0 is 1. So you have to make sure that you are not forgetting anything. Okay? Don't be like me. Alright? And then also be very careful. This is a negative, this is a positive side for cosine. So be very careful with this as well. Alright? So when you're speeding to grading and you're going too fast, do not overlook this. Okay? You can easily lose accuracy on this integral, so be very careful. But other than that, this is our answer. 2 pi over 3 plus 4 root 3, technically. Okay? Alright. Hope that helps. I'll see you guys in the next video.